Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Snapchat media upload problem. If you want to fix the Snapchat media upload problem, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you are already logged into your account. If you do not have one yet, it only takes a minute to sign up and create a new account so you can get started. Once you are in the app, look at the bottom of the screen for the search bar. Tap on it and type in Media Upload. Snapchat will show you several community-created lenses designed to let you add media directly from your phone's gallery. Browse through the options and pick the lens you prefer. Each lens works slightly differently, but they all allow you to bring in photos or videos from your camera roll. When you select one, it will open the lens interface, and you can choose a picture or video directly from your gallery. After selecting your media, it will appear on your screen as if you just took it with the Snapchat camera. Your uploaded media will now look like a fresh snap rather than a memory. From here, you can edit it just like a normal snap. When you are happy with how it looks, tap the shutter button, and Snapchat will process it as a brand new snap. Finally, tap the send arrow, choose your friends or story, and send it. Your snap will go out without the from camera roll or media upload tag, making it appear like you just captured it in real time. When someone opens the snap, it will look like a normal snap. By following this method, you can easily fix the Snapchat media upload problem and share your snaps naturally without any upload tags. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.